chef.
Hello again, dear friends. Today I am going to make shrimp dynamite. We need to have 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white pepper, 1½ tablespoon of baking soda, about 800 grams of clean shrimps, 1 can of soda water. Put the flour into a clean and dried glass bowl. Then, add the cornstarch to it, and the salt. The white pepper as well. Finally, the baking soda. Using a fork, mix them all together. Add the shrimps to get coated by the mixture. Move the shrimps in order to become completely coated. Now, remove the coated shrimps and set aside. Pour the soda water into the remaining mixture and stir properly. Unfortunately, fork is not good enough to mix. So, I use the blender to do the job. Put about ½ cup of vegetable oil in the frying pan on medium-high heat. Dip the coated shrimps into the mix. Once they are completely soaked, drop them in the oil. Turn them over until they become golden brown. Fry the rest of the shrimps the same way. Shrimp dynamite is the perfect appetizer for any occasion. Whether you're having a party or just enjoying a casual meal at home, it's also a great way to impress your guests. So next time you're looking for a delicious and crowd-pleasing appetizer, reach for the shrimp dynamite. Crispy and crunchy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. Yes, I deserve to taste one crunchy piece. Now, we need to prepare the dipping sauce. Half a cup of mayonnaise. One-third cup of sweet chili sauce. Three tablespoons of sriracha chili sauce. 2 tablespoons of honey. I would appreciate it so much if you could subscribe to my channel. Stir until it becomes smooth and creamy. Sweet, spicy, and creamy sauce that coats every bite perfectly. It's going to make a party in your mouth. The sauce is a perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and creamy. And it coats every bite of shrimp perfectly. You won't be able to resist popping another shrimp into your mouth. And another. And another. A tantalizing appetizer that is sure to set your taste buds on fire. It is so addictive and unforgettable.